I'm doing a master's in molecular biology, and right now I'm doing my thesis project. A lot of the theoretical courses are really interesting topics that, experts in the field are presenting on, and then the practical courses are things where we get to sort of develop these hands-on skills presented by researchers in the field, and they've made learning and committing to the class really easy and fun and engaging. I've always been drawn to the north, and I've lived in a big city for several years, and I was really excited to kind of get out of town and move somewhere smaller with a little bit of a different scene. The environment's really nice, the people here are very friendly, and I would say that I've had a better time here than I did doing my bachelor's in the US, by far.